What's up everybody, Achillean Design here. So today I'm going to show you how to optimize this website design for iPad and tablet devices. In the last video, we designed website for PC and Mac products. And this is sort of what it looks like. It's characterized by high contrast elements that are bright, a lot of different shapes, and it's colorful as well. So right now I'm going to show you exactly how to optimize it. Designing the iPad and tablet versions of this website is easy. It's just a matter of tweaking the size and positioning of each object. Now, sit back, relax and enjoy some speed designing while listening to this nice music. First, we will reduce the navigation menu, leave a logo and delete components that we don't need because they will be part of the hamburger menu. We will also reduce and adjust the hero section for tablet and iPad devices. So we will copy the desktop design and adjust the size of the elements for portable devices. We reduce the size of colored rectangles and change the positions of photos. In the next section, we will also copy the design from the desktop, but we will change the positions of the elements so that instead of standing next to each other, they will stand one below the other. This way each element will look nice on screen. In the next section of our design, we will also copy the design and change the positions of the elements so that the photo will be above the rectangle with the text and adjust the size to look nice and clear. For the shop section of the website, note that I'm enabling horizontal scroll for the group of devices. This will allow users to horizontally scroll to see the featured devices. Finally, we also copy the footer section from the desktop design, adjust the size and its text elements as well as icons for links to social networks. We will position it so that the footer menu is in the middle of the footer and above the social media icons, so that everything becomes large and clear enough that the human eye doesn't have to squint. So there you have it. That's how you design a website in Adobe XD. As always, be sure to hit that thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video, where I'm going to show you how to optimize website for mobile. So see you next time. Bye.